First lap up. Seems to be much easier to film. Gotta see what the new Alpine looks like. Damn, braking bumps are freaking crazy already. Let's see if the drop is still there. That's the step up. Okay, revamped Alpine looks more like a bowl than a wall. The drop is now gone. Okay, I'm ready to go now.
Yeah.
Would like to apologize in advance for the squeaking sound. That is not coming from my bike. It is coming from the helmet mount for the action camera. This is why Jose was faster. He was taking a more direct route. Let's go, Will. There you go, clear that one. Overshot that thing. Oh my god. Went airborne on that one. Yeah, the front's not lifting off as much as I like. Yeah, the front's not lifting off as much as I'd like. Timing's off on the jumps, so it's weird. I'm still learning this trail. The people that's ahead of me, Jose, was 10 out of 84, and Jeff in front of him was 4th place out of 84 for the day. On the lap time wise, I ended up at 24 out of 84. I can go a little faster, I'm sure, but today's conditions were really good. Yep, I can only keep up until this part.
Tight enough? Yeah, it's tight enough. I'm gonna drop in first to get used to the lips again. There. I'm slipping. It's like I'm casing just a touch. There you go. All right, let's go. Yeah, but just case those. Nope, didn't make that step up. Oh my God, sent that one to the moon. I don't got enough speed for the big one. Overshot. The water bars. I am not hitting that step down. Oh my God. That was a bad move. I should have attempted it. That step down is so pronounced now. This step up lives rent free in my head. That step down got super sketch, yo. You could use the roll down on the left. It's full commit now, yo. Oh, they changed it a little. Damn, that's rough. Ooh. Damn, I got stalled here on the fucking... Ooh. Where the hell is that? Oh, you get out that way, okay. Ended up going the wrong way. Fail merge. That was more intense than I remembered. I ended up making a right turn. And I got out from the back over there. That was way more intense than I remembered. Because I normally go from the jack, so I never went like twist into the jack.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is the lower jack.
That's still bullshit. Damn, didn't make that one. Damn, so hard to make it down over here.
Here you can see I am not good at tech. I can ride it. I don't know why I'm riding it so bad today. I guess it's been a while since I've ridden Creek Tech. But also I was surprised to see wet spots from the rain. Either way, once I got to the damp parts, I didn't feel like sliding down the trail sideways or on my ass, so I actually got off the bike. But once you got off the bike, it's very, very hard to get back on due to how steep and rocky it is. But all in all, I am actually really liking the footage for the chin mount on the review. I just gotta give it that damn squeak. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.